So you've sprained your ankle and you've been told to get an ankle support brace. So I'm going to review the Aircast Air Sport ankle brace. Okay, and Cassie, our senior nurse, is going to help us. So this is how it comes out of the packet. It comes black strap around it and actually a bit of Velcro, just because the Velcro always sticks to your trousers, so they give you that for free. Right, you undo the packaging like this. And I always take it out. It comes strapped inside the thing. I take it out of the packaging. It shouldn't ever be inside any packaging. So that just sort of hangs down. And then you've got a strap around the back that opens. And it's a rear entry ankle brace, meaning you come in from behind and your foot goes in there and your heel comes out the back. So if you grab it and push the foot through like that, it's quite tight to get it round the foot. But once you've got it round the foot, the key bit here is you don't want it hanging off the front here. So you have to stretch it, okay? Stretch this neoprene at the front so that it grabs around the ankle. So you're actually holding it with airbags on the side around it. And then you grab this strap around the back here and it comes around and just sits on the side there, okay? And then you've got this strap underneath which comes around, okay? As I said, I don't go through anything, I go around there. And then the next bit you do is you squeeze it and you pull around, okay? And then you can see here that there's a Velcro on the outside. And the temptation is to go over the Velcro, because you think you have to, and then come around the front and stick onto the side here. But then it digs into your skin at the front here, and this can cause an ulcer, which is very uncomfortable to the patient. So I contacted Mr. Aircast, the CEO of the company that makes these things, and I said, this Velcro is too high and we need to make it lower. And he said, thank you very much, Dr. Goldberg. He's American, and he said, we've made millions of these things and we're not going to change it. So as a result, I go now over his name. I come down below the Velcro on the side here, and I go over his name, half on the Velcro, half on his name. And because of his lack of interest in changing things for me, and it just misses the front, and it's a lot more comfortable, so it's no longer over that Velcro. And that is it. So Cassie, if you want to stand and try and put his shoe onto that and see how it feels. It's a little bit bulky to get into a shoe, so you have to sort of try and cajole your foot around it. With a trainer you have to sometimes undo the laces, but you can get into a trainer and it should fit in nicely. And then I don't know if you want to try taking it off and try putting it on yourself, just so we get an idea of how it is yourself to do. Let's take it off. Okay, and then now try putting it on yourself. Remember to pull it and stretch around the front, that's great. No, we said there was a strap at the back you've got to try and put around first. That holds it on, and then you get this strap and come around. Remember, you're going to miss the top Velcro and come around the front there and grab it on. How's that one feel?
Good.
Okay, so that's the Aircast ankle support brace.